Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Misha. For those of you who are new here, welcome girl, welcome. Now I'm a blogger who happens to moonlight as a makeup artist. Though I was a makeup artist first, I still dibble and dabble into the arts from time to time. And most of you remember that when I first started this channel, my channel was all about makeup and I was just primarily doing makeup videos, as I am self-taught. But I was thinking and wanting to get back into the arts here. So maybe over the past, let's say 2 months now, because it's going on 2 months, I have been enrolled in the Online Makeup Academy, and girl, it has been bomb.com. I love the fact that I can learn new techniques as it pertains to makeup online through Online Makeup Academy. It is bomb.com. So many different classes, courses, so much to learn. It is just like really in depth. I mean, you learn everything from what to wear, what not to wear, how to choose bookings, how to apply makeup, of course, and different techniques as it applies to like bridal makeup or theatrical makeup. Yes girl, theatrical makeup. There's even a class for special effects, and I love special effects makeup. But as it pertains to the classes are really nice. I feel like they do really teach the content in a way that is easy to grasp, easy to learn, and girl, you do get this wonderful kit once you sign up. Though there are different levels to the class types, so make sure that you're picking the right one. Reach out to them, send them a message to make sure that you're going to be getting the kit with your particular curriculum that you may choose. And they have different curriculums, so check it out, because I don't know if you're going to be interested in doing makeup. Maybe you are thinking about becoming a makeup artist, or maybe you want to fine-tune your own makeup artistry skills for doing makeup on yourself, or maybe just your family and friends. But I highly recommend it. The instructors are just so cool. I feel like I know everybody kind of personally, okay? I really do. But let me show you all of the goodies that you get in the kit. Now this kit, now let me say this before I get into what I was about to say. Now this kit comes with everything you could possibly need as a beginning artist. Now of course your kit's gonna grow as you practice more and do more things. You know, you acquire more things in your kit, but this one's ready to go. It has everything you could possibly need to do clients. It is like ready to go for you, a ready-made kit. It is perfect. And girl, it isn't cheap products either. We got everything in here from Makeup Forever products are in my kit, girl. Makeup Forever. That's pretty pricey, so I was all about that when I learned that. But I do feel like the classes are really informative. I've learned quite a bit. So I know that I now have been playing myself previously when I was moonlighting, just doing my own thing, you know, but now I think I'm ready for the world. Should I go back into the artistry full force? But let me show you everything you get. And two, once you complete the courses, girl, you are now a certified makeup artist. You do get a certificate which will entitle you to all types of makeup discounts. So this is just well worth it. Not only will you get your certificate, you can now call yourself a certified makeup artist, which is just a bomb.com, and it makes you just feel like, girl, you've accomplished something. You're ready for the world, honey. You're about to go and beautify all types of women, all types of people, making them look good for their special occasion. I absolutely love that. And now you're certified, you have your certificate, and now you're entitled to all of these discounts and even better gigs. So I highly recommend it. But let's go ahead and see what you get. Now you do get a nice brush roll, and yes girl, it comes in this nice roll. Every brush you could possibly need and want to complete a full face. Now this kit, I do use it when I'm practicing and going and following the lessons, I do use it, but some of them I have not gotten into because I have my own personal brushes, and you might have your own personal brushes that you would want to use too, so feel free to use those. You don't necessarily have to use these tools as long as your work passes, because you do have to upload your work to prove that you're doing the studies, doing the courses, and then they will grade you. They're going to evaluate your work and tell you how you're doing, you know, give you criticism, positive criticism, tell you where you need to improve, what you need to work on. Girl, it's really, really great. Well worth the coin spent for this class. But yeah, these are all the brushes. Really, really nice. I love, love, love the brush roll. Like I said, I do use these brushes. So these are the photo submission forms that you're going to get in your kit. You're going to hold these up when you're submitting your completions of lessons online. It's a real class, girl. It's serious. So I mean, if you're spending your money as an adult, spending your money on this type of stuff, you're going to do the work. You're going to do the classes. This is nothing to take lightly. So you do get a mixing palette here. And this is when you need to mix a couple of foundations or creams together to get your desired color. Because sometimes you might not have someone's particular shade, and you might have to mix a few to get the correct and proper shade. Okay? Now you do get all types of cool palettes. Look at this right here, girl. This is a lip palette. And I love that it has all the little logos on it and stuff. It just makes you feel official and really part of something. So I do love that. This is the Lippy palette. They're like highly pigmented glosses. So all of this is going to come in your makeup kit. So this is the lip palette. Really, really nice, because not everybody wants a heavy lipstick on their lips. They fancy a gloss, just a light wash of color, which is great. Oh, this is the blush palette. Wait till you see this. I absolutely love these blushes. Well, let me show you the outside. It has the logo on it. Girl, your school's logo on it. And these are the blushes. Okay, now these are beautiful on all skin tones. Okay, so it has, girl, trust me when I say it has everything you could possibly want in a kit is in here. You even get lashes. Look at these. Ready-made kit. What other school you know does this for you? That's what I thought. No other school gives you this type of setup when you enroll. No one. They expect you to already have it. Look at all this stuff. This is just great. So look at this palette. This is one of those highlighting and contour palettes. Now, I used to have one of these back in the day when I first started in makeup. I actually really liked it. It's nice, especially for beginners. It's pretty cool. So you have that. Ooh, and look at this eyeshadow palette. When I tell you this one is bomb.com, girl, we're gonna have to create some looks with this. We're gonna do some dramatic stuff, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, a beautiful palette. Oh, girl, the kit alone sold me, okay? I just had to have this kit. This is just everything. All right, now this one is bomb.com as well. I love the packaging. It looks like marble. I'm all about marble. So beautiful. Let's look at it. Look at this palette here. So beautiful. Look at all the beautiful colors. Reminiscent of something we've seen before. But nonetheless, it's very, very pretty. Love, love, love. So you're not just getting a whole bunch of stuff that you can't use. You're going to use everything in this kit. Now, all of our foundations, like I said, are Makeup Forever, girl. Look at this. Makeup Forever. These are expensive. Do you know how much Makeup Forever costs? Girl. So you get quite a few shades. I'm going to go ahead and open all this stuff so I can show you. I've seen it, you know. And I keep them kind of, I like to keep my stuff kind of neat and in the packaging. So these are the shades that you're gonna get. You get a nice range of shades. So these are the 4 you would need to cover just about anyone. And what you don't have, you mix it, because it does include the mixing palette that I showed you. Makeup forever, girl. Makeup forever. I can't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. I would have never thought. And girl, we have the Makeup Fixer Spray by INGLOT. INGLOT. Look at this. Full-size products. Full-size products. Now, all of the information will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over it, okay? Because if you're looking for a career change or a fun hobby, makeup is really, really fun to do. I love making someone's day, making someone feel beautiful, making them feel special. Okay, so then by Makeup Forever too, you do get a little brow kit here. This is what it looks like. Girl, these products. Gorgeous. So nice. So nice. The kit alone is worth hundreds of dollars. Just for the kit. Okay, what do we have here? This is the mascara. Excessive Lash Mascara by Makeup Forever. Girl, it just goes on. It's like, what? I get all of this? This is one of their full cover concealers here. And you get quite a few of these too. So like I said, everything. They've literally thought of everything for you. Everything is coming in your kit. Everything you can need to complete a full face. And these are all the concealers, girl. All the different concealers. From light to medium, darker shade here. Girl, everything you need. So, don't hesitate to get started with Online Makeup Academy, girl. Because you're going to be beating faces in no time with a premium kit. A premium kit. Most people start off with things like, no disrespect to shade to cover, girl, but that's what they start out with, usually drugstore makeup. And look, you even get glitter for glitter looks, because you're always going to have that client that's going to require glitter, especially like birthday beats and New Year's Eve, New Year's Day glam beats. Everybody likes glitter for that type of celebratory event. And I thought this one was so cool. If you're working from your phone, submitting pictures and taking pictures, or even taking client photos, you get this little selfie light to clip onto your phone. So nice. It's like, what? I get all of this just for being a student at Online Makeup Academy? Girl, I'm not even done yet. I still got stuff to show you. So many goodies come in this kit. The kit alone. And I love the stickers. So once you get your own little makeup trolley or train case, look at these cool little stickers you can put on it, girl. Yes. Represent, girl, because you went to Online Makeup Academy, girl. Online. You are certified. You are a certified makeup artist, okay? And it does include, wait a minute, I'm just getting aside myself right now. So we have the INGLOT lip gloss. Now this lip gloss is bomb.com because it is so thick and so good. This is how it comes. It's just like regular thick clear lip gloss, but it is bomb.com. So you have that. It's by INGLOT. You even get mold and wax for like special effects. That is awesome. Full on kit. Who knows? You might even get to change the shape of somebody's nose, and now you have the wax to do it. Girl, they teach you that. You'll learn how to do that. And this is that INGLOT eyeliner that everybody uses. Girl, the best liner ever. Right here. All expensive products. Look at that. The bomb. Bomb.com. You're getting everything. And then you do have this little camouflage palette here for color correcting. And yes, you will learn everything as it pertains to makeup. No stone is left unturned. So I highly suggest getting signed up for it. It does include the INGLOT liner brush for your pot liner. Girl, like I said, they've thought of everything for you. All you have to do is just go over and get signed up. Like I said, they have many different curriculums to choose from. Just pick your fancy, but I would suggest going with the top tier so that you can get a ready-made kit. Once you're done, you receive your certificate, girl, you're ready to go to work. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I really hope you found this video informative. Be sure to check the links out down below in the description box to get yourself signed up. I hope you do. Make that career change. Pick up that extra hobby. It's a great way to make extra money on the side, or like I said, make this your full-time career should you want to. But yeah, that's what I've been working on these days. I'm just trying to fine-tune my skills, girl. You can do the same too. So make sure you check out the link below. Online Makeup Academy, guys. Bye.